And I'm back. With another what?
Banger.
Banger.
Please subscribe to the channel.
Huh?
Please subscribe to the channel.
You say it.
That's a song.
Tell them to subscribe to your mother channel.
Subscribe to my mother's channel. It's
This
my
rice.
food.
I'm just gonna make a little small plate so I could eat it real fast while I make this YouTube video. My shrimps.
But what's the turning thing?
And this is it right here. Y'all see this?
Oh, take it. Hello? Where's the turning thing for my
Wait. Hold up. Who is you talking to?
You.
You ain't talking to me like that.
I'm gonna tell you. Where's the turning thing for my dog hair?
I don't know.
It's like a little thing that you do for your hair. Hello?
Y'all, she tweaking.
Did you put a middle finger?
This the rice.
Mommy. Can I have some?
I asked who was ready to eat. Huh?
Yeah, no.
Ooh, that shit is hot.
I want to do this. I mean my mouth.
What's wrong with your mouth?
Like nothing. Can I eat it?
Wait, I ain't heard
Might you walk this fork?
Mm-hmm.
Might you could get another.
It's all right. It's okay. Just here you go.
And can you move that then one corner?
I'm gonna push this back because y'all. Oh, my mother. Shrimp. And you see all that? I got it.
Mommy too.
What? Yo,
I'm getting one.
I'm taking the thing off of it. Wait.
Now you know how to feed me. I'll go feed
Huh.
the stove. And I wish we could eat first. I still don't touch both of me. I'll be eating this.
And don't even know how to peel shrimps. Like, please, she just be doing too much.
Guys, look at my mom's Mac. I'm not gonna stand in my door here.
Now she making her own video, y'all.
No, I'm not making your video.
All right, she making my video.
Mom, move your arms. I can see. Move your arms. I'm back to my bush. She's like turn.
I'll be catching myself, stalking my little shit. Smeek going from Instagram to TikTok to Instagram to TikTok to Instagram to TikTok.
Mimi, love you.
Who was that?
Mimi.
Tonisha?
No, Mimi.
Uh,
Yep.
Stop spraying that, I said. No, that's it. Oh, Mimi.
Yeah.
Naomi.
Yeah, I saw her name in the whole thing. That's what I said. I'm on both. Oh, she on both things too.
Oh, she on TikTok and Instagram?
Oh, yeah, I like that client. I like that support.
Okay.
They be on both. Yeah. Maybe mine need to be on both too, bitch.
Keep them coming. Keep them coming. I want to try something. I seen on on this Vietnamese channel.
What's it trying to do? I love purple onions. You know that make me horny, right?
Purple onions?
Yeah, that make I don't
Long story short, they took the onion. All right, wait. I gotta peel the shrimp.
That's just very, very like peppers and stuff make my hormones like hard. I think I gotta like that make me like.
No, it's just you. Because they ain't no fucking aphrodisiac.
Touch my body. I feel like a new person. Chill.
All right, they took the onion, right? Out of the Korean thing, they took the onion. And they put some rice up there. And then they had the shrimp. They took the shrimp. They put the shrimp up there.
I feel like you making that up.
No, on the Vietnamese thing. They took the purple onion, rice, and shrimp. When they eat it.
You know what else turned me on too? What? Lemons. I don't know what the fuck. Kanye, you know I got a thing for lemons. Like certain things I don't eat around people.
What?
Lemon, you know lemon? Yellow lemon? Like anything lemon cake is sweet lemon. Like a turn on. Like a bitch smell like lemon, wow.
I gotta try that. That was really, really good.
You want to try that on live so bad?
Yeah, I did.
I'm about to go home and start trying stuff. I hope my chicken breast up, dog. I got 30 minutes to drive back home.
A little bit, because that's low shit. All right, y'all, I got two more. This video is not going to be long because I'm trying to turn my music on. I know you motherfucking lied.
Mommy, I'm gonna pick it up, okay?
You better.
What did she do?
Drop all that fucking lotion on the floor.
She said, Mommy, I'm going to pick it up, okay? She must be knew you was about to fuck her up.
And she been trying it all day.
I think you being very totally mean to her.
I'm not being mean to that lady. Leave it. I'm going to pick it up. She just do stuff. Stuff that... Oh, that shrimp here cut her lip. Stuff that she wouldn't do, she do. She only doing it because I'm alive.
So she knows. So she think you scared to slap her alive?
Yeah. In other words.
I don't think she's scared to do that. Please. I think she'll slap you.
We got another concoction: onion, shrimp, and rice.
I'm about to put you in the bag, okay?
All right.
I'm gonna still be up here, but I'm gonna put you in the bag.
This is my last one, man. I'm gonna stay on TikTok. I'm gonna stay on TikTok, but
my skin look good. I heard the whole set. Why ain't put it here? Huh? Put it here.
Slap the fuck out of her. Jaja. Hun, just leave it. I will clean it up. Leave it. I'm gonna eat one more shrimp with y'all. That lady said, you'll see. She gonna see. She better act like she could see. Anywho, we are done with lunch. I didn't get the disclaimer out, so what's up? What's good? And what else? Did y'all miss me? Bye.